Renowned Kannada anchor and actress Aparna passed away at her Banashankari residence in Bengaluru after a 2-year battle with lung cancer. Her husband, Nagraj Vastare, shared the heartbreaking news via social media, revealing she was in the 4th stage of cancer. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah expressed his condolences, highlighting Aparna's versatility and the impact she had on Kannada entertainment. Her passing is a significant loss to the industry, and her fans and colleagues deeply mourn her departure. Aparna leaves behind a legacy of memorable performances and a profound impact on the industry. May her soul rest in peace, and may her family find the strength to bear this grief. Aparna began her career with the 1984 film Masanada Hoovu, directed by Puttanna Kanagal, and quickly established herself as a talented actress. She appeared in numerous films, including the popular Inspector Vikram alongside Shiva Rajkumar. In the 1990s, she transitioned from acting to anchoring, marking a new chapter in her career. Aparna became a beloved anchor, especially on Chandana TV, and gained a strong following. She also took on roles as a radio jockey and comedian, becoming a well-known figure on the small screen and starred in popular television serials like Moodala Mane and Mukta.